Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I will be reacting to 4 videos today, 3 of which are debuts from girl groups, all 3 girl groups, and one is a song which I missed out on reacting to. So that's the video that Bam Bam and Selgi had done. So that's Who Are You. So I'm going to be reacting to first all the debuts, which is Girls on Top. Now this is of course like a super group of SM with all the SM group members, like members from different girl groups. So of course I only know, from what I did my research, is that it has members from all the generation, like first gen, second gen, third gen, fourth gen. So I only know third gen, fourth gen, which is of course Wendy and Sulgi from Red Velvet, and Winter and Karina from aespa. So I know these 4 members. Rest of the 4 members I have not checked out their discography ever. They are from second gen and first gen. But this also gives me an opportunity to find out more about them. So I'm really excited to listen to this particular song. So this is not really an MV, this is like a stage video. So yeah, so one is this Girls on Top, which is Step Back, and the second one is Kepler. Now this, of course, I know that there was a reality show which I did not check obviously, but from what I know is there's a reality show out of which this group was formed, and this is a group which was, I think the reality show was aired on Mnet. So the song is called Va Da Da. That's the song. Now the third group which debuted is from the Starship label, which also manages Monster X, and this is called IVE or IV or IVE, this group. So the song is 11 and this has garnered a lot of views. So I'm guessing it's a very popular song. And the fourth is going to be Who Are You, which is a song by Bam Bam, and it features Sulgi from Red Velvet. So yes, these are the 4 videos. I'm going to start with Step Back. Though this does not have like a, this, because this is a stage video, it does not have subtitles. So I will not know what the meaning of the lyrics are. So okay, no problem. That I can check on my own. But okay, so let's begin. Multiple reaction party time. I'm going to put the timestamps for all the videos so you can watch this at one go, or you can go to your favorite video reaction. Okay, so we'll start with Step Back. Okay, why didn't they give the subtitles though? Wow, just the set. This is a stage video. This is not even an MV, and it looks so beautiful. Wow. So 7 members. Okay. So I won't recognize 3 members. I will know 4 members. You must step back. So I don't know who this member is. Okay, so her I don't recognize. Sulgi, of course. I don't know her. Wendy, I know her. And I know her. I don't know the one with the pink hair also. So these are the 3 members I don't know. Ooh, she's so pretty. Okay, Wendy is an amazing vocalist. She is Amazing. Okay, I just because I was looking at like the members who I don't recognize, but I just want to run that back again because I was half concentrating on the song. So let me just begin that. So a lot of you would have already watched this video. Do let me know what the lyrics mean. Gist of the lyrics.
You must step back 어딜 봐 누가 누구라고 날 지켜 이쯤에서 물러나고 있다는 게 좋을까 아니 말이 한번 겨울나와 보던가 내게 사랑을 했었니 석급장난처럼 어딜 때 인간이 길이 좀 네가 필요했니 소시적 추억팔이 그리 재밌니
Her vocals are nice. She is. Oh! Didn't she do next level? Oh, that was next level, right? She did the I'm on the next level. Oh, nice. That was a good shout out. She has such a presence, whoever this artist is. Like, my eyes are just going towards her. She looks amazing, and also like the one with the purple hair, not really purple, the lavenderish kind of hair, but she is completely literally grabbing my eyeballs. I love this female. Like, I love her screen presence. I mean, and about the song till now, of course it's an SM song, but there's this weird, I don't know what is that beat, dung 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 dung, which is going, I don't know why they've kept it constantly, like dung dung dung. I don't know, I'm not sure how to feel, like what to feel about that beat. It's distracting me from the song, to be honest. But when they start, when the chorus drop, na 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 na, step back, that was nice. That part was nice. But then they've still kept that dung 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 dung. I hope you understand which beat I'm telling. Ding 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 ding. This one. Oh no, that's not lavender. It's grey hair, silver hair. Sorry, I don't know why I thought it was lavender. But her. Now that dung 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 is not there. So yeah. Oh. Yeah, again they started dung dung dung. It's because of the lighting, it's looking lavender. So I was not colorblind. It is the silver hair, but it's looking lavender. But even her, whoever this artist is, amazing screen presence. Did they say bridge? Huh? What is it? Oh! The vocals. I am sorry, I am getting flattered by the artists that I don't know. So, the first gen and second gen artists. Oh man, just they are the ones grabbing my attention. And then, hello, Wendy's vocals. Like, but her, she's also awesome. But the bridge. You can You can feel that, yes. She, like the vocals, look at the vocal quality. You know that she's a veteran in the industry. Just by listening to that first the moment she starts singing. Oh man. Look at the confidence.
네 장난 같은 유혹에
I like this.
흔들리지 않아. 사랑이란 감정을 거래하는 건 too much. 이제 그만 꺼져 돌아간 이 세계. 다시는 착각은 말고. 남자들 다 똑같아. 내가 뜨면 시선 집중. 여기저기 flash 터져. 찍어라 찍어라 찍어라. 상상은 너의 freedom. 가지가지 하기 전에 손부터
Like her, I mean, she's the standout for me here. Like her screen presence, her aura is like completely like, I love it. I love it. She looks the most badass to me in this video.
Girls, bring it on.
Woo!
Silly girl.
Step back, silly girl. Okay. My guess right now is that this is sort of maybe like a, empowering song for the female. Girls, let's get, I mean, that's what I'm thinking. Oh!
The only girl who live in dreams. Step back, silly girl. 눈앞에서 좀 비켜줘. Yeah. Don't bring it to me, 꺼져줘.
Woo!
Step back.
Okay, wow. I'm sorry. The artists that I don't know, they are the winners for me in this song. The three ladies that I don't recognize. They completely like they owned this video. And plus the four people, the one more I want to add is Wendy. Oh my goodness.
Live in dreams. Step back, silly girl. 눈앞에서 좀 비켜줘. Yeah. Don't bring it to me, 꺼져줘. 내 거에서 손 떼. 다시 태어나도 안 돼. Step back. 착한 남자들에게 너는 독배 같은 것. 마지수로 외로워. Can't sick and tired every day. 넘지 마라 보다. Step back. 네가 비빌 곳이 아닌. Step back. 저울질로 가린 건 참지 못할 가벼운
Her vocals are awesome.
Can't sick and tired every day.
Nice. 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 Though you know what I was imagining? What I was imagining is that because this has artists from all the generations of K-pop, the song would have every generation's flavor. That's what I was honestly, you know what? Honestly, I was expecting that. And knowing because this is SM, they would do something like that. No? That they would, because they always experiment with their sounds and their music. So I was really, like, I was totally mentally prepared that this is going to be a song which will be, which every, like, it will feel that, that has flavor of literally every K-pop generation. But that was not the case. I mean, this could easily pass off as a 4th gen song. Honestly, this could easily pass off as a 4th gen. Like, this sounded, I mean, this could be an aespa song. This could honestly be an aespa song, and yeah, it totally had that vibe. It totally had that vibe. So, about the song, of course, I cannot comment on the lyrics at all. Step back, silly girl. That's what I understood. That's the only thing I understood. So, let me know what the song is about. But the artists that I didn't recognize, they completely stole the show, especially the lady with the pink hair. Oh my god. I mean, I was totally crushing on her. Completely. I was like, my god, who are you? You're so stunning. And then one with the silver hair, oh my god, that note she pulled over there, gone. And then the bridge. The third artist who sang the bridge, her vocals were absolutely phenomenal. And then Wendy. This song is a really difficult song. If you just listen to the song in its entirety, everybody is pulling in high notes. Like it's a song which is at a very, very, very high pitch. Like everybody, I don't think I could hear a single, single sound which is at a lower octave. No, it's very high. It's very high. Like I've never, I don't think I've ever witnessed Benji pulling in that kind of a note. I'm sorry, I've not. And I've only, and this is me telling who has watched Red Velvet, like limited content of Red Velvet only, but still, this is something very different. So that's about the video. The stage looks amazing because it's SM. Obviously, the stage looks great. Their outfits look amazing. Choreography is also really good. Vocals, I am literally bowing down, man. Vocals and rap was on another level. I wish they had given the subtitles. So are they going to bring out an MV for this? Because this is just a stage video. This could easily be passed off as an MV. But of course they had the mics and stuff like that. But loved it, loved the entire stage, and it's beautiful. The color combination and the outfits are syncing. It's just perfectly synchronized and it matches. Just about the beat, the dung 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 dung, I don't know, it was a little distracting. It was a little distracting for me. I don't know. Maybe I mean, yeah, one could say that SM always does that, but you know what? Yes, it's even if you want to have something unique, it's not as unique as how I found say NCT Sticker. Like even Sticker has a very odd sound when you first listen to it, but I don't know, it somehow flows, and it worked for me overall when I was listening to it. That flute sound, na, 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 even if it sounds odd, but it's still, I don't know, I feel that Sticker is still a very well put together and arranged song with a very, very different sound. But here that dung 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 was distracting me for some reason. That is something that probably the only gripe if I have with the composition of the song is that. And my favorite part is probably the standout one is the chorus. Na 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 na, step back, na 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 na. So that was nice. I really like that. I wish I could comment on the lyrics, but I can't. But overall, I mean, this is something really, really awesome that SM is doing. I read one more thing. This is not like just, they are not the only, like, they are not permanent members of Girls on Top. It's like a rotational thing, right? So it's like Girls on Top is like a project kind of a thing, like a passion project of SM, you can say, if I should put it that way. But yeah, the members are like interchangeable and stuff like that. So it depends on what works, what kind of sound works together for what kind of song. So this was the first unit for Girls on Top. So I hope that's correct. Like something like, you know, NCT U, where any of the NCT member are inter-switchable, basically. Basically they're switchable, so that way. So it's something really nice that SM has done, and I think they do this a lot of times. I mean, I have not I have only, I think, never really gotten into Super M. I think when they had a comeback recently, the last comeback, I reacted to that. But other than that, I have not, gotten into Super M discography as such. But Super M is like Super M is a permanent group. It's like members are permanent, but here that's not the case. But overall, very happy with this overall passion project that SM is doing. It's great because it's really nice to see when artists from different groups come together, and from the same label, when they come in together and do this kind of collaboration, it gives a certain sense of freshness also. So yes, I wish they didn't do the dung 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 song. I mean, yeah, I mean, experiment with sound, but don't go overboard. That's just, but yeah, for some it might work. It just that particular sound just was putting me off again and again and again. It was just too much. It was just too much. So that's it about the song. I mean, not the song, basically. I don't know anything about the lyrics, so I'll check them on my own. But yes, Girls on Top. Yes, Girls on Top. I'm guessing step back matlab maybe it's to do something with empowerment or something. So now I'm going to move on to the second video. This is a Kep1er. This is a recently debuted group, and the song is called Wadada. I don't know any members here. I don't know anything about them, basically. but okay. I just know that they have been recently formed, and this was from the survival show. I don't even recall the name of the song, survival show, but it was airing in Mnet. That's what I know. So yes, let's. What does Wadada mean? Wadada. Okay. Hey.
It's you
Ooh, she's pretty.
and I. Let's start. Now 도착한 이 place. Watch my step. 난 신을 따라 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 거무함 가까이 있어. Take off, women, let's go. 한바람은 날 뛰어갈수록 내 마음은 떨려. 선명해진 dream 느껴지는 걸.
Wait. Wait, is this a space theme? First I thought it's a space theme.
Watch my step. 난 신을 따라 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 거무함 가까이 있어. Take off, women, let's go. 한바람은 날 뛰어갈수록 내 마음은 떨려. 선명해진 dream 느껴지는 걸. Hands up, 꿈을 향해 달려. Stand up, 너와 내 꿈 higher, higher.
She's pretty.
누구보다 빨리 달려갈 거야. 네가 있는 곳으로. 와타타타. Running vroom 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 like a supersonic. 와다다 와다다.
Okay. Oh, nice step.
쿵쿵쿵 그가 미친 듯이. 와다다 와다다. Keep on going. 와타타타. 너에게로
No! I was so feeling the song, and then they did the oh. Okay. Like this part, when the beat dropped, okay. I was thrown off with the okay. That, like I was. This beat drop was so cool.
달려갈 거야. 네가 있는 곳으로. 와타타타.
I was so feeling this beat.
Supersonic. 와다다
Oh, this is nice.
달려. 맘이 쿵쿵쿵 그가 미친 듯이. 와다다 와다다. Keep on going. 와타타타.
Please don't get offended, but I wish they didn't have the oh part, because that beat drop was enough. That was nice. Oh, what is this?
너에게로 와타타타. Keep on going. 와타타타.
Wow, she's pretty.
자기 두 신중히 좀 더 바짝 세워 Rate up 눈치챌 거야 지금 이 떨림 I'm gonna be brave yeah. 숨을 고르고 다시 깨세
They are so freaking young. The little kids. Like, I'm guessing nobody is in their 20s. They're all teenagers. Huh?
Hands up 두려움은 날려 Stand up 우리 함께 하여
Wow, she's so pretty.
누구보다 빨리 달려갈 거야 그려왔던 곳으로 와타타타 Running vroom 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 like
So this beat is amazing. Ta, 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 ta. This part is awesome.
와타타타 Running vroom 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 like a supersonic 와다다 와다다 달려 맘이 쿵쿵쿵 그가 미친 듯이 와다다
Dude, she's so pretty. All of them are beautiful, but oh my god, she's really pretty.
맘이 쿵쿵쿵
And her outfit is amazing. Look at this white outfit. Oh, she's damn beautiful.
Keep on going 와타타타
I'm sorry.
너에게로 와타타타 Keep on going 와타타타
Just this part.
너는 run around 멈추지 말고 drip on
Even this female, she's also nice.
들이 이루어지는 모험 어디
Like, she has an aura, which I like.
Now get up together 내 숨이 차도 I won't give up Run 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 내가
Oh, nice choreography.
와타타타 Running vroom 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 like a
see, so this part is really nice, where they are doing the ta ta na ta na ta na 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 na, supersonic. I really like that part. I really like that part. But that oh part is just throwing me off for some reason. That is throwing me off for some reason. That's the only thing. Ah, why? You should just kept.
Running, run like a supersonic.
Yeah,
Each other, I won't give
this choreography is really also nice. Wait.
Keep on going, wa-ta-ta-ta. Yeah, run around, 멈추지 말고 drip on. 꿈들이 이루어지는 법.
The choreography is really good.
이미 자식은 너를 보내게 catch. Now get up together. 내 숨이 차도 I won't give up. Run, 내가 보일 거야. wa-ta-ta-ta. Running, run like a supersonic. wa-ta-ta, wa-ta-ta.
This is nice.
맘이 쿵쿵쿵 뛰어 미친 듯이. wa-ta-ta, wa-ta-ta. Keep on going, wa-ta-ta-ta.
Kept on going wa da da da.
너에게로 wa-ta-ta-ta. Keep on going, wa-ta-ta-ta.
Nice. That was cute. Just the oh part is something that I did not jam to. Otherwise, that supersonic part was really good. Nice. This was a fairly cool debut. Not bad. Though I was a little confused. I don't know. I don't understand their concept. First, it looked like Girl Crush. It is Girl Crush only overall. But then it looked like there's a space concept. But then it looks like it's like a chill concept also. I don't know what's the concept. Like, I'm a little confused with the concept. If somebody understood, like the music video looks good, but there is no theme in the video. Like, it doesn't have a theme. Usually, because that's what I've come to expect from K-pop. Like, K-pop videos always have a theme, because the theme only sets them apart, that yeah, this is the vibe of the group, this is what the group is about. So I don't know, that's what I did not get from this group, that what is the theme, what do they represent as a group, what is Kepler all about? That's what I want to know. Because see, they have come from a survival show, so obviously, and that to Mnet, not some Chuntu Puntu channel, huh? It's like from Mnet they have become a group. So I mean, one would check like how the latest on the top of my head, say aespa. You know, they have a very specific theme. Like, they have the Avatar thing, and there's the Kwanga storyline going on. So it's very specific to that group. And I understood it from the get-go. Like, from Black Mamba itself, they're following that. So I didn't understand what is the, vibe of Kepler. Because the song is also, it's nice, it has a nice EDM drop and all of that. But yeah, I don't know what they are about. That's one thing that I found was missing. But the song is fun, it's very catchy, it's dancey, it's chill, it's nice. I think, yeah, this is something I would jam to a lot, more than I think Step Back. Like, Step Back is all like vocal, like it's very vocal heavy, and it's a song that you would not, like, you would really not, dance to, but you would be like vibing to it. But Wadada is a song I would think that, okay, this is a really nice club jam. It's a really nice club jam, and yeah, one would really dance to this. So yeah, I think in terms of getting a nice catchy song for your debut, Wadada works. But I don't know, because the competition is so high in K-pop. Like, let me know how their debut was. Was it successful, not successful? Like, what are people talking about this kind of song? So, because it's not a very different sounding song, but it's a nice song. But the lyrics are also pretty okay. I wouldn't say the lyrics are out of this world. So, and the theme is a little confusing, but I enjoyed listening to the song. Like, if Wadada plays right now, I'll be like, ta 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 na 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 supersonic. I would be like totally jamming to that. But how was the debut? What is the response? What are netizens saying? Do let me know. But if you ask me, enjoyable. Enjoyable. But out of the word debut, because the debut, it's the debut song, it's not a comeback. So my thinking is a little different because when it involves a debut of a group, like got Girls on Top, I would say Step Back is, oh, it has gotten my attention. It's not just about, you know, different members of different groups performing together, but the way the song has been mixed and arranged, the vocals so powerful. Like Girls on Top got my attention completely. I'm like, okay, yeah, what next? What next? With Kepler, I would say that I'm like, yeah, it's nice. I'm happy with the debut, but my mind is not blown. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. If it was a comeback song, I would be like, yeah, oh, what a great comeback. But considering it's the debut, I'm like, theek hai, it's fine. It's nice, it's chill. I'm going to enjoy this song. So let me know what are your thoughts on that. So now I'm going to move on to the third group, which is called IVE. I hope it's pronounced as IVE only, or Ivy. This is 11. So this is the song 11, and well, this has gotten a lot of attention. It looks like 61 million views. So not bad, not bad. Okay, let's watch this. A lot of girl groups have debuted, huh?
따분한 나의 눈빛이 무표정해진 얼굴이 널 보며 빛나고 있어 널 담은 눈동자는 어두
Okay.
내 안에 빼곡하게 피어나는 늘 같이
Oh, I love this music. It has a Middle Eastern theme. It has a Middle Eastern, and you see in the beginning, I think this is like a shout out to Aladdin. Huh? The lamp, genie's lamp, and the flying mat. This, right?
따분한 나의
The music is also like that. Okay.
얼굴이 널 보며 빛나고 있어 널 담은 눈동자는 어두 내 안에 빼곡하게 피어나는 널 지금 느끼는 이 감정들은 true
Wow.
내 입술을 간지럽힌 낯선 그 이름
This music is amazing.
몰랐어 내 맘이 이리 다채로운지 긴 꿈을 꾸게 해 이
Okay.
작은 하루는 춤을 추고 내 실컷 어지러울 만큼 Oh my god 한가득 채우고 있어 잘 봐 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 You make me feel like 11
Oh, I like this.
투명한 너와 나의 사이가 많이
Oh, they're all so stunning.
일렁인 물결 속으로 또 빠져드는 걸
I like, this is also like a proper girl crush concept, but I like this music. The music is nice. I like this.
향기로운 보랏빛의 물
This music.
셀 수 없이 반복해도 기분 좋은 꿈 감히 누가 이렇게 날 설레게 해줘 난 몰랐어 내 맘이 이리 다채로운지 긴 꿈을 꾸게 해
Wow.
이 작은 하루는 춤을 추고 내 실컷 어지러울 만큼
Here also, I feel none of them are in their 20s. They all look like teenagers. They all look like teenagers. Damn. Damn, the pressure. Like when I was a teenager, I was just chilling.
Oh my god 한가득 채우고 있어 잘 봐 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 You make me feel like 11 내 앞에 있는 너를 그 눈에 비친 나를 I
See the impact the song is having. This is a debut song, right? I love it. Wow. Wow, so pretty. This is a proper Middle Eastern theme.
이 순간이 좋아 me feel like 11. 내 옆에 있는 너를 그 눈에 비친 나를 내 옆에 있는 너를 그 눈에 비친 나를 사랑하게 되거든.
Ooh, nice! I really enjoyed this. Oh, that's a nice song. I'm gonna add this to my playlist. 11. I really like this. I really like this. I really enjoyed this one. Oh, wow. I love the sets. Their outfits are beautiful. They look stunning. The music, I think for me, it was the music. Like the way the beats were beautiful. The vocals are also amazing. And I like the part where it suddenly slows down and then bhag karke because I was not expecting that the song to suddenly slow down. It's just for a moment and you are just taken aback and then suddenly just completely takes you off guard. That was nice. That was cool. I really like that. And I loved the styling of all the members. I like that how, you know what I really liked about the MV, that the sets were grand and yet minimalistic. It had like it was not, even if it was a Middle Eastern theme, it was very like modernized in a way. You don't see too many embellishments that you would expect technically when somebody does a Middle Eastern kind of concept, right? When they do that, and here they did that, you know that it's inspired from that, but the sets were so minimalistic and elegant. So you can see like this group is trying to, even if it's a girl crush concept, I think there is a sense of elegance in the sets. That's what I really liked. And their vocals, they look stunning. Their outfits are beautiful. The outfits were absolutely beautiful. Very well done. Very well done. And these are so young girls, even with Kepler. I mean, look at them. I think the Kepler girls look even younger to me. I don't know, like between 14 to 18. That's what the collective age group, I feel that's what the age group of these girls are, between both the groups. It's so young. I mean, wow, the pressure of looking perfect. And I don't know, I am a little torn. See, with K-pop, I know that people start training, like kids start training from the age of 10. They start training from the age of 10 and they debut when they're like 14, 15. I'm not sure, like, I mean, it's a debatable topic. It's a topic of a little bit controversy also, that if girls or boys should be allowed to debut at such a young age, because it really is pressurizing. K-pop is really, like, the industry is extremely competitive. The trolling is too much. The love is there, but the hatred is too much. Then you have to project this amazing picture perfect personality. So yeah, that's a lot of pressure that you put into a 14-year-old, a 15-year-old, even an 18-year-old. I feel 18 plus. If you're debuting after 18, it is, I mean, it still makes sense to me. But yeah, at 15, 16, I still feel because the social media now, presence of social media is so much all around us, that they're constantly being watched. It would have been a different case that you are debuting at the age of 14, but then that's it. People can only reach through you through your music and when you are interacting with the fan. Now though, like, there are eyes everywhere, so I don't know if they even get a moment of privacy or not. So yeah, it's like a double-edged sword. You're getting the fame and everything, also you're getting recognition, you're earning from such a young age. So that is another thing, though I don't know how the contracts work, because I'm pretty sure they have to give a percentage of their earnings to the company also. So that's how it is. I mean, depends on the contract that is drawn by the company. So yeah, but thoroughly enjoyable. I loved this song. 11, very, very nice, very, very nice. So I'm going to move on to the last video now. Oh, I'm really excited about this one. Hello. This is what I want to see from K-pop. This is what I want to see. collaborations like this, and specifically when it involves two opposite genders, because that is so unlikely, right? So Bam Bam and Silgi, I'm very happy that this has happened. And yeah, I don't want to delay this any further. Let's just watch it right away.
Who are you?
Oh my god.
마치 mirror 같아.
Woo!
But I like to fight you. 난 깨달아 someone else in mind.
They sound so good.
너란 꿈을 꿔. I feel like I'm not
The guitar.
myself again at a fall. Or would you pick me up off from the ground, the dust off?
Silgi is such a good dancer.
떨어진 기분 from top of the stairs. 그 일은 나를 do you even care?
난 잘 알고 있어 아직 너만 몰라 방황하고 있어 널 위해 서로도 깨워주고 싶어
그저 사랑이란 짙은 허상 속에
Oh wow.
빠져있지 않게. If you're gonna say what I think, go ahead and say it already.
Oh wow.
계속 헤매고 더 원해. 헤어낼 수조차 없이.
I am so happy that the MV involves them dancing together. Yes, yes, and it's a love song. So yeah, you freaking better dance together. Why is the brightness so low? Ah. Just look at them move.
If you're gonna say what I
Look at the
think,
steps.
go ahead and say it already. 계속 헤매고 더 원해. 헤어낼 수조차 없이.
Oh wow.
Who are you? 마치 mirror 같아.
Oh wow, the song.
But I like to fight you. 난 깨달아 someone else in mind.
Wow.
끝없이 갇혀 마냥 끌려다니긴 너무나 지쳐. 문득 난 깨달았고 그때 내 비춰. And I think of you all the
This is the last thing I was expecting this song to sound like, but I'm so happy it's sounding like this.
time. 원하는 대로 whenever you drive. 내가 자꾸 원했던 넌 것 같아. So can you see me now?
일어나라도 날 사랑하면 keep in touch 나를 싫어하지 않는다면 that's enough 내
Love this
목소리가 더
dancing.
선명해져 Do not escape for much
Whoever choreographed this, amazing.
If you're gonna say what I think, go ahead and say it already.
Wow, that was some cool camera work.
헤매고 더 원해. 헤어낼 수조차 없이. Who are you?
Woo!
마치 mirror 같아. 너를 사랑했던 만큼 난 깨달아 someone else in mind.
Oh. Woo! Oh, what is happening? Okay. Oh man, I'm sorry. This was. Yes. Yes. It just. Their voices went together so freaking well. So freaking well. Oh my god. I am sorry. I think I'm dreaming right now watching this video. Let me stop this. Let me stop this. Just, oh my god. I'm so glad I ended with this one because it feels like I have literally gone to heaven. Just so soothing, beautiful, absolutely just, oh my god, this was smoother than silk. It was that beautiful. The vocals flow so beautifully. The way they were harmonizing, the choreography, so elegant, so classy. Classy is the word. Classy is the word for this video, for this song, for their choreography, for the outfit, for everything. Classy. This is classy stuff. Yes. This is the kind of masterpieces you get when you collab. When talented artists like Bam Bam and Sulgi collab. I am sorry, the views are absolutely not justifying what a great overall song this is. I mean, this should get 100 million. This should get 100 million. This was like a beautiful, you know what I felt while watching this? Like somebody is doing a beautiful painting. This was like a painting. Just, I loved it. Needless to say, gets added to the playlist. I am immediately adding this to my playlist. Oh my god. Oh my god, they sound so, I'm sorry, I'm literally blown away by the vocals. I'm blown away by the vocals. I loved it. I loved it. Yes. Yes, so that was the reaction to all the 4 songs. My god, I started with such a fiery song, and then when I ended with Who Are You, I think perfect. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So yes, with that, I will end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Do let me know your thoughts on each and every song. I would love to read them in the comments. Did you enjoy the debuts of all the 3 girl groups, and what do you think of Who Are You? I definitely want to know. So yes, with that, I will end the video here. Thanks a lot for watching and for coming till the end of the video. And yes, I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.
You are the cause of my euphoria.